Who believes that you have to work hard to make money? No. Who believes that no one can outwork them? You're going to see where I'm going to go with this. Well, I'm going to attempt to prove you wrong. The reason this is so important is that all of us claim, or I have heard, who here has seen a guru on the internet say, no one can outwork me? Who has heard people say that on podcasts, make Instagram posts about it, whatever? It actually drives me fucking bananas. And it drives me bananas because it teaches the wrong lesson.